The eCORE signage system is a cost-effective modular signage system that saves up to 25% on signage projects. It also provides savings relating to design, future replacement and maintenance costs. eCORE is environmentally considered, using recyclable aluminium as its core material. There are 13 standard sizes that can be applied vertically or horizontally. Each panel has a return of either 25mm or 40mm, which can be specified as a top and bottom return or on the sides of the panel. The eCORE signage system is suitable for all industries, including retail, corporate, health and aged care, the government sector and education.
Approximately a year ago, St Margaret's approached us to look at the wayfinding solution for their signage. They had a number of different types of signs at different ages, different fonts, and they were looking for a consistent approach. We proposed the eCORE system because of the modular nature and cost savings of the product. The fact that we could produce that sign as a wall sign, a directional sign, wayfinding and a main ID sign, and the school went along with that idea. There are approximately 72 signs at the school that we've installed. There are a number of freestanding signs that are directional signs. There are wayfinding signs with maps in them, of which we've illuminated all of the maps. There are cantilever type signs, and we have a main information sign that includes a 2 metre by 1 metre LED message board.
We're a day and boarding school for over 800 students, and we have just under 200 boarders at the school. We decided to speak to Program about their eCORE signage system because our campus is over 116 years old, and over that time we've collected many different types of signage around the school, and we really saw the need to be able to improve the signage and really ensure we had a uniformed system in place. One of the benefits of the eCORE signage system is how it was really able to capture our brand. I know the marketing team was very happy with the design that Program came up with, that incorporated our emblem, our colours, and were really able to capture the essence, I guess, of St Margaret's within the signage. We were extremely pleased with how it turned out. At St Margaret's we have quite a number of entrances. We have about 7 gates, and so one of the great benefits of eCORE is that our gates are now well signed. It provides a great ease for parents and visitors to the school to be able to find where they need to be, and then also to be able to move through quite a complicated campus as we're over quite a number of different levels, and so having this signage now really provides ease for our school community to be able to find their way around the school. We've also incorporated the LED screen. It's a great visual for communicating with parents. It might be what the the daily sport situation is, or it could be advertising one of our open days or one of our wonderful events that are coming up. So it really gives us a great tool to be able to market those events and also keep our parents up to date with the latest information. What we find with schools these days is that we really need to be flexible with our spaces. So one space might be used for one thing one year and then we need to change it the next year. So the great thing about the eCORE signage is that we're able to swap out some of the panels and we can actually change the wording or change the directional signage on that panel without having to replace the whole sign. In addition to the flexibility that eCORE provided, there was also the cost benefit. When looking at customised signage programs, the eCORE system was about 20% cheaper. So, in terms of budget and capex, we found that it was a much more affordable way to go for the school, but it still gave us the same quality and product that we were looking for. Because of our integrated relationship with Program, because they also provide grounds and painting services for the school, we were able to put in place a program with them that enabled us to pay for the eCORE system over a number of years, similar to our painting program. I would highly recommend the eCORE signage system to my colleagues within the education sector. Given its flexibility, the cost benefit that we've received and also the quality of the product, we would highly recommend it, and we're very pleased with our decision at St Margaret's.
The eCORE signage system is a proprietary system of Programmed, which has over 50 years' experience in signage and corporate branding in Australia. Programmed employs tradespeople and professional staff who help maintain over 60,000 buildings and structures for more than 5,500 clients across Australia and New Zealand. Outsourcing the design, manufacture, installation and maintenance of wayfinding, directional and informative signage systems to Programmed allows companies to focus on their core competencies, leaving the design, manufacture, installation and maintenance of signage to the professionals at Programmed.